morning, my dear students. Now I will discuss about the 4.2 chapter, the rise of the new religion. In the last class, I explained the Jainism. Now I will start explaining the Buddhism. Buddhism, it is also one of the oldest religion in India. After the Jainism, Buddhism also a very famous religion in India. Gautama Buddha. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha, he was the founder of Buddhism. His early life and what he was teaching. That is the main important topic of your chapter. This is 10 marks question. Now, we'll start that topic. Gautama Buddha, he was the founder of Buddhism. 1 marks question. Who was the founder of Buddhism is Gautama Buddha, he was the founder of Buddhism. He was born at Lumbini Garden. Lumbini Garden. Where he was born? 1 marks question. Gautama Buddha, he was born in Lumbini Garden. It is in Nepal. His early name Siddhartha. What is the early name of the Gautama Buddha? Means Siddhartha was the early name of Gautama Buddha. His father, name the parents of his Gautama Buddha means father name is Shuddhodana. Father name is Shuddhodana and mother name is Maya Devi. 2 marks question. Name the parents of Gautama Buddha means father name is Shuddhodana, mother name is Maya Devi. When he was born in 563 BCE at 563 BCE at Lumbini Garden. Gautama Buddha, he was born in 563 BCE at Lumbini Garden. His father name is Shuddhodana, mother name is Maya Devi, his early name is Siddhartha. When Siddhartha, he was born at the 7 days or the 1 week after Maya Devi, she was died. After the death of Maya Devi, Siddhartha, he was brought up his and Mahaprajapati Gautami. Mahaprajapati Gautami. Mahaprajapati Gautami. Who is she means? She was a aunt or Chikkamma anta heltivalla. Chikkammana bali. Who was she means? Mahaprajapati, she was the auntie of Siddhartha. Siddhartha, he was brought up his aunt Mahaprajapati Gautami. After he got a name, Siddhartha got a name Gautaman. Are you understood? Next. So, at the age of 16, Siddhartha at the age of 16, he was married Yashodhara. Siddhartha's wife name is Yashodhara. After he got a son, Rahul. Son name is Rahul. Next, according to the Jataka Tilaka. According to the Jataka. According to the one story. According to the Jataka Tilaka. So what we know that means, one day Siddhartha, he went with his soldier. So in that time, So Siddhartha, he went with his soldier. One day he went with his soldier. He saw a 4 incidents. What is that? The 4 incident means, first one old man, second one sick man, third one funeral procession man, and last one sage. First one old man, sick man, third one feral, position, and fourth one sage. ಜಾತಕ ತಿಲಕದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥನು ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸೈನಿಕನ ಜೊತೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಹೊರ ಸಂಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ, ಈ ಸಾರ್ 4 ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, 4 ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ 4 ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಒಬ್ಬ ಮುದುಕನನ್ನ, ಕುಷ್ಠ ರೋಗವುಳ್ಳವನನ್ನ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಶವವನ್ನ, ಸತ್ತ ಹೆಣದ ಶವವನ್ನ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂತ ದೃಶ್ಯವನ್ನ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೇಜ್, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. So, ಈ 4 incident, when he saw these 4 incident, Siddhartha, he don't know what is that. When he was asked that, he is soldier. Siddhartha ತನ್ನ ಸೈನಿಕನ ಬಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, what is that? The man was old man. Why the man was become old? Why the face was become very sick? Sick man ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಗುಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಹೆಣವನ್ನ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮಲಗಿದಾರೆ, ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ soldier told that when the birth of person, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾಡಿದ ಪಾಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆತ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆತ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಉಂಟಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆತನಿಗೆ ರೋಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಸಾಯ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಆತ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಾ ದಟ್ 4 ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಈ 4 ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆತನಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಓ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್, ಇದೇ ನಾವ್ ಜೀವನ. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಜೀವನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಅಚೀವ್, ನಾವೇನ್ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ Siddhartha, he was decided to searching for the truth. So ಏನ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು he left his wife, he left his parents, he left his son, and he was left his kingdom also. In that incident is called Great Renunciation. The Great Renunciation. What is that? The meaning of the Great Renunciation means when the Siddhartha, when he know that what is the life, and he was searching for the truth. What is the root of this truth? ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬುಡ, where we get, ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿವಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, so he was decided, he left his son, wife, parents, kingdom ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು he went out, ಆಚೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ರೆನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್, ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ವೈ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್, ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆತನಿಗೆ ಸತ್ಯ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪೆನಿನ್ಸುಲಾ. ಸೊ ಆತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತಪಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. Tapas penance, he will get a peninsula after he got a enlightenment. Where he was sitting doing the peninsula, ಆತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, he was under the pipil tree. Which tree? Pipil tree at Gaya, where he got enlightenment under the pipil tree at Gaya at the age of 35. At the age of 35, he got a enlightenment. What he was got means he got a enlightenment. He got a enlightenment. What is that enlightenment? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆತನಿಗೆ 35 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಾಗ ಗಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಪಿಪಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಅರಳಿ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯವಾಯಿತು. ಅಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 35. ಸೊ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ he was also called the Tathagata. Tathagata. Who was Tathagata means? Tathagata, he was a Gautama Buddha or Siddhartha. When he got the enlightenment, ಯಾವಾಗ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೋ ಆ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ಎನ್ಲೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರು. ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ತಥಾಗತ. ತಥಾಗತ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ one who has released that the truth. What is the meaning of the Tathagata? Means one who has released the truth. After he was founded the new religion, Buddhism. So who was founded the Buddhism means Gautama Buddha. Who was Tathagata means Gautama Buddha. Next, when he got the enlightened, ಆತ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. First where he was preached his first preaching. Where he get a first preaching? He was preached his Deer Park near Saranatha. Deer Park near Saranatha. Saranatha. Deer Park near Saranatha. He was Gautama Buddha. He was preached his first preaching. Deer Park near Saranatha. He was preached. When he was preached, after his symbol, Buddhism symbol. What is the symbol of Buddhism? Is Dharma Chakra. Ashoka Chakra ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? So ಅದೇ ಸೆಂಟರ್ symbol ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. That was the symbol of Buddhism. Next, after he got enlightened, ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ, so at the age of, so where he was get nirvana. Where he was getting nirvana means he was getting nirvana at Kushinagar. It is in UP. One last question. Where he get a nirvana means Gautama Buddha, he got a nirvana at Kushinagar. It is in UP at the age of 80. So next, Arnold, Edwin Arnold, what he was told means he told that a light of Gautama Buddha, he was a light of Asia. Thank you, my dear students. Next class I will explain the Buddha's teaching.